Jyoti. So learn how to apply, no, how to enable the bucket in public level. So give the access to public object URL, and and yesterday we have done static website hosting and so many things we have discussed till now, right? So uh, today I'm going to discuss just very high level discussion, if you can understand. Yeah. So what we learned till now more than enough, okay, to do the activity. So on rest part, whatever we left, those are interdependencies. After discuss the KMS, key management service, so security service, we can complete two modules here in the S3 bucket, okay. And once we complete the IAM, we can finish it bucket permission level here. I mean, how to control the bucket access, right? If you can give public, everyone can access. If you are not giving public, no one can access. But we can give the some restriction access also. So people can access only object, people can access only one bucket, people can access only two objects, like that we can control it. So the control of action, everything depends on IAM. Okay, that is also dependency. If you can see here, the guys, my screen is visible. Online team, please anyone confirm? Okay. So, and metrics you can easily understand once we done the CloudWatch. Metrics is all about just monitoring size of the bucket and CPU utilization, so network checks, everything is related to CloudWatch. Okay, yeah. So management. So here, if you can see, replication rules, life cycle rules, inventory configurations. Okay, inventory configurations. Okay. So inventory configurations. What is inventory configurations? See, can you read this? Guys, try to understand, you start learning from yourself also. If you are not discussing something, there is no rocket science in that. Okay, you can easily understand with your S3 knowledge. So if you can read this, you can create inventory configuration on bucket generation flat file list of your object and metadata. This schedule report can include all objects in the bucket are limited to the shared prefix. So what they're trying to say, if I create a inventory configuration, see guys, so give something, name anything, okay, test, leave about all. So give the destination of bucket, any one bucket. Additional metadata is optional. What is additional metadata? Whatever, if you just create this inventory configuration, so in this bucket, whatever activities you are doing, who like related which object, which bucket you have created, everything is going to store in this target. Inventory is nothing but what? What is inventory? The meaning of inventory? What? What is meaning of inventory, guys? What is inventory? No one knows the meaning of inventory? Online? Stock, to sell something. Okay, backup, whatever. So many names, meanings you are getting. So inventory configuration is nothing but, so once you done activities in the bucket, object level things, and everything is going to store in this bucket. So inventory details. Okay, this is inventory configurations. So just for, there is a module I'm discussing only. So we are not using this option at all. Okay, we are not using any option at all. Okay. So just we can configure the destination bucket. That's it. So I have selected, if you can see, daily frequency. If you can go here, weekly frequency also. So if you select daily, the first report will be delivered within 48 hours. Okay. The first report will be delivered in 48 hours. Next 48 hours, it will calculate on every day. So whatever activities you are doing in the S3, everything is going to store into your inventory configurations. That's it. Okay. That's it. So which format the data is going to store? CSV format, Apache Parquet, whatever. If it is CSV format, CSV format. So choose file format if you plan to use batch operation, if you plan to everyone S3 inventory with look like Microsoft Excel. So if you save as a CSV format, so if you click after 2 days, there will be a report. So now so today we are going to do some activities, right? Those activities is recorded into the Excel format. So like we have created object, we have created bucket ID, creator ID, everything is going to record it into the CSV format. So we can go the inventory configure, we can check the file, who create the buckets and everything details will be there in that. Clear? So if you select daily, the report will be generated daily. If you select weekly, the report will be generated weekly. That's it. Nothing is there. Encryption, as we know, we can discuss. So additional metadata size. See, this is not required at this time. Leave it. Object log, anyway, there is no permission. Yeah. So I have saved into daily or weekly. No modifications are made. I keep as is the same setting. This is the inventory configuration. So inventory configuration is nothing but we can store all the activities inside S3. Inside inventory configuration. Inventory config in the form of CSV. So we can generate the report daily or weekly. Daily or weekly. Okay. Yes, it's all about information. That's it. Okay. So yesterday we have done static website hosting, right? We'll get the information in that CSV format. Created this ID, created bucket. So created AWS account ID. So static website hosting, everything we can see in that, like logs. So we have to give destination bucket. Why guys destination bucket? The report should be stored in destination bucket, right? Again here, instead of giving destination bucket, you can give destination bucket folder, right? Instead of wasting of the bucket, we can create a one folder in the destination, like inventory folder. You can give the path, right, in the destination. That's it. So first focus is first 2 days class. Okay. After done only, just focus on this. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. So this is all about inventory configuration. I have changed into the weekly. So after 1 week, I got a CSV format, file. If you can go, whatever activities I'm going to do in this week, everything is recorded into that file. Okay. So one more. So replication rules, life cycle rules. Replication. What is the meaning of replication, guys? What is the meaning of replication? Copying. What is the meaning of replication? What is the meaning of replication? Replication, not repeat. Same data. Okay. Very good, Sohail. Duplicating. This is the correct. Duplicate. Okay. So what they are trying to say in the replication rule? Replication rule. So go here. So create a replication rule. I will tell you how to do that. So inside, okay. So to create a replication rule, we should enable the S3 versioning. Okay, we should enabling the S3 versioning. I'm in which bucket now? This bucket. Okay, this bucket. So this bucket is private. Okay, initially this bucket is private. If I select private bucket, for example, this one also private bucket. If I'm trying to apply replication rule for this bucket, see. Okay, this is also public, I think. If the bucket is private, it is not allowed to create replication rule. So we have seen one pop-up, right? I have enabled versioning, right? So replication rule, we can enable only versioning, public buckets, versioning enable buckets. Okay. So for example, guys, go here. Take properties. Bucket, I'm going to disable the versioning. Suspend, okay? Suspend. Save changes. So I'm trying to apply replication rule now. See, replication requires versioning to be enable the source bucket. Okay, enable the source bucket. So it's enable object versioning on the bucket to continue creating a replication rule. So what we can understand, guys, to create a replication rule, bucket should be enable versioning. Okay, so now we can discuss what is replication rule. So replication rule is nothing but, so in your account you have a two buckets. Okay, in your two buckets. So once file is uploaded into the source bucket, we can replicate into the one more bucket. Okay, we just replicate into one more bucket. What I'm trying to say here, I have one source bucket, guys. Okay, if file is going to upload in the source bucket, the same file we should maintain one more bucket automatically. The same file is generated into other bucket. So this is what we can say. Why we are maintaining one more bucket? Backup. It's a backup in not AWS providers. We are taking care of the backup, user backup. Okay, user backup. Let's suppose one file is uploaded here. One file is uploaded. Automatically the same file is reflected into that other bucket. Okay, let's suppose how we can understand. Sir, already versioning is there. Versioning is there in a backup. Why we need to maintain again S3 replication here? So I will tell you one point. For example, guys, if I select, this is the Mumbai, right? This is the Mumbai. So I can give cross account replication rule. I can give cross region replication rule. Okay. For example, bucket is in Mumbai. Bucket is in Mumbai. Bucket is in Mumbai. I have uploaded file in Mumbai. So at the same time, file is also uploaded in US East 1 also. So if there is no replication rule, what you can do? So you can upload the same file into replication US East bucket also, right? Manually, right? From the Mumbai. But if you enable replication rule from Mumbai to US East 1, once file is uploaded into Mumbai, automatically the file is also generated in US East 1. That is taking care of a replication rule. Is it clear? So if the people are going to access from the US East 1, they are no need to come the request to Mumbai. They can access from US East 1. Okay. So Clear? Any doubt? What I'm trying to say here? Why replication rule? If there is no replication rule, you should upload the file 2 times, Mumbai and US East 1. But if you configure, so you can understand this is a configure or sync between Mumbai and US East 1. Once file uploaded, the same file is generated on US East 1 also. So we can do the lab for understanding. So replication rule is nothing but we just maintain one more copy or we just replicate object to required destination, like enabling sync between source and destination. Is it clear? Yes, if you have any doubt, ask me immediately. Don't compromise, huh? User. So sync. Is it clear? So we can do the lab now. We can do it. So go to any one bucket. So first I should enable versioning. Okay, I have enabled. So give some ID or name, demo, status enable. So if you can see, I'm the US East 1 region, right? So apply to all objects in bucket. So what is the meaning? Any object in the bucket, it will be reflect. Okay, there is no conditions. Only in this folder object only reflect into the destination. So I'm not selecting any filter. I'm applying for all objects. I'm uploading for all objects. Okay, choose bucket in your account. Okay, so I'm just selecting same bucket. I will get an error. I think so. We can see. Okay, so a role I have discussed that is created by system itself. Save. Okay, so if you can see here, replication rule is applied for lambda sg demo. Here my bucket is test del HYD. Okay, if you can give same bucket as a target, you will get an error. Okay, you will get an error. So let me try. So let me try. You can understand now. So click and delete replication rule. So I'm in which bucket, guys? Test del Hyderabad. So I'm going to create a replication rule for same bucket. Okay, I'm going to select for same bucket. So we can save it. See what they're asking. Okay, apply all objects. Choose IAM role, create new role, we can go. So source is tested Al Hyderabad. So target is also, where is the target? The same bucket I have given. We'll see. Destination bucket cannot be the same as the source bucket, right? If the system is allow, is there any use? Taking object and again upload to the same bucket and replication? Object already there, right? If you upload the object, it's going to store into your bucket. Again, why you are apply replication rule and target same bucket if you can give, object is going to store again and again, right? There is no use, right? So system is not allowed. So if you want to replicate an object, if you want to take an object, just give on other bucket. Backup is not taking as the same bucket, right? If the something is happen, we can lose everything, right? So we should change the destination bucket. So go to browse. I can give any bucket lambda sg demo. Save it now. So now replicate existing objects. You can enable one-time batch operation job from replicate configuration to replicate the already exists in the bucket to sync source and destination. What you can understand from this? Can anyone? What you can understand with your 2 days knowledge? Anyone? Read it. Simply read it. What is replication? We are taking as one file is uploaded, immediately taking as a backup. So now what they're saying here? What they're saying, anyone? Very good, Sunil. Old files also. If you existing objects, no, do not replicate existing objects. Yes, replicating existing objects. What is the meaning? Already some objects are there in the source bucket, right? If you need, you can enable it. Not required, you just disable it. Means now onwards, if any file will come, it's just going to reflect. No, sir, I need old one also. Then enable replication existing objects also. So now we are trying with FreeTier, right? Don't go with other advanced option. Just for check replication working or not. That's it, right? So no, do not replicate existing objects. Go with submit. If you want to check, you can check. Existing also will come. Simply, that's it. Okay, now my replication rule is created, right? What is my source bucket? If you can see here, destination bucket is lambda sg demo. Okay, what about source bucket here? So I'm in the source bucket, na test.del HYD. So these options we can enable after you are in the bucket only, right? So properties, permissions, whatever is there. See, if you can see here, these permissions, those we have applied already were in the bucket. Don't confuse, okay? Already were in the source bucket. So you should select destination bucket. That's what I did now. Okay, so test.del HYD is my source bucket, right? So I'm going to upload one file. It should be reflect into destination bucket. That is the rule. That is all about rule. So upload successfully. So cat puppy, I have uploaded the object in my source bucket. It should be reflect into my target bucket. So go here, lambda sg demo. So, okay, refresh it. It will take time. It will take time, guys. Say uploaded cat puppy.jpg. It's clear. Replication. How we are taking replication now? Whatever object I'm going to upload into source bucket, it should reflect into my target. Let's suppose if I delete my source bucket, there is no harm. So the good thing in the replication is, sir, okay, I have one question to you. Please concentrate. I have one question to you. So before that, I will write one point. Version should be enabled. Versioning should be enabled. Condition. Okay, one question to everyone. So one question to everyone. Now, if I upload the file, my object I'm able to see in the destination bucket. Is it clear, everyone? How we can understand the points, here you can understand. If I upload the one object, I'm able to see, I have uploaded one object here. I'm able to see the same object in the target or not? Yes, we are able to see in the target. If I delete this object, it will delete or not? This is my question. Why? No. Why? Why they are asking us to enable versioning? Also we can think now. Also we can think now in this point. Okay. What is the reason, guys? Very good. Replication. What is the meaning of replication, guys? We are taking as a backup. If something is wrong in source, if destination also delete, is there any use with this? No, right? If source delete, destination will not delete. Which option we have enabled that? Versioning. That is the reason this replication rule, if you want to perform, first you should enable versioning. Is it clear? The link points all. No need to by heart it. If you know the subject, you can understand it. Right or not? No need to, sir, why we need to enable versioning? We are taking backup. The system should be calculated, right? If the source you have deleted, if there is no versioning enabled, if the source is deleted, destination also deleted or not indirectly. You are just perform the sync operation. So it's not to be like that. Definitely it should be exist the file even though source file is deleted. This is the process. If something is wrong in the source, the destination also same thing happened. There is no use of replication. Is it clear or not? What I'm trying to say here? Yeah. So what I'm going to do now? Yes, very good, Abhinandan. So what I'm going to do now? I'm in the destination, right? I'll just go in source bucket. This one, I think so. So simply, so bye puppy. No puppy in my account, source account. So let's go and check in my destination. So still existing. Clear replication rule. Anyone has any doubt? No? Anyone has any doubt? These are little advanced topics. Okay, little advanced topics. No need to learn, but if you want to learn, if you learn these topics, you get a good confidence, good knowledge. How we can learn versioning, how it will work the backend, how they are configuring. So after the base points only those will come. What are the base points of how version will work? Clear? Yeah. I'm not getting. What about data modifications? If you are uploading after modification, you are uploading, right? Right or not? Then it's going to track. That's it, right? Yes, that's it. You can think like that, guys. Modification is nothing but what? You are again uploading the file, right? You are not modifying the S3 bucket, right? Once you upload, immediately the target will upload. That's it. You should interlink with all points, guys. No need to by heart anything. If you know the concept, you can understand everything. Okay, so we are two done, right? Inventory configuration, replication rules. Now, life cycle rules. Very, very important. Very, very important. See, I'm simply copying here. No need to write anything. So guys, if you understand, no need to write anything from you. If you understand this point, simply you can write it. What they're saying, guys. Okay. Life cycle rules. Life cycle rules. Okay, guys, life cycle rules. So life cycle rule is nothing but simple concept. Use life cycle rules to define actions you want to Amazon S3 to take during an object lifetime, such as transitioning objects to another storage class, archive them, delete them after specified period of time. So what they are trying to say in the life cycle rule. So based on the period of time, if you want to do any action, so the life cycle rule will help you. You're not getting right? I know. So what they're saying simply in our language, what I'm trying to say, let's suppose I have an object, right? I have an object in my S3 bucket. The object after 1 month, it should be deleted. So you have a requirement. So no need with this object. After 1 month, I should delete this object. After 20, so you can just remember till 25th day. After that, you just forget that. The object will extend, right? Even after 30 days also. You forget that. You should delete the file manually. You forget that. So what you can do, is there any rule? Yes, we have a rule, that is a life cycle rule. So if you define 30 days, after 31st day, the object should be deleted. If you define that rule, select the bucket, select the object, give the time period, after 31st day, the bucket object deleted automatically. That's all about life cycle rule. One more example, guys. So life storage classes, how many times we discuss? 2. How many storage classes we discuss, N3? 4. What 2? 4. We have a 6, but majorly we are working with 4. And out of 6, 5 are high availability. They are providing greater than 3. So majorly we discuss 4. Frequent, infrequent. You guys are not revise anything into your home? Busy with World Cup? Huh? How many have seen yesterday match? Oh. So you guys are not preparing then. That's it, right? Okay, very nice match. Maxwell, he's updated. See, if I ask how many storage classes, 2, 1, 3, but Maxwell score is accurate. 2, 0, 1. Yes. So, okay. World Cup, right? So I'm not commenting anything. Even I also seen that match. So guys, okay, where we are? Storage classes, right? So we have a different storage classes. Sir, we know what frequent immediately can apply the tariff. I have uploaded the file, sir. But how it can work, like after, see, if you uploaded any object, you cannot change directly into the Glacier. We should follow the steps. First 30 days, 80 days, 120 days. Okay. So I have a file. So I can just, by using life cycle rules, I can decide when the file will move one storage class to one storage class. Why? Cost effective, right? I have uploaded 1 GB file. Now frequent tariff. I have a work with the frequent tariff for, even that is a period is minimum, guys, not maximum. Whatever period is, that is a minimum, not maximum. Is it clear? So I have a 1 GB file. I have uploaded in my S3 bucket. After 151 day, it should move. You are going to prefer to move after 151 day. Which storage class is better? Infrequent or Glacier? Infrequent or Glacier? The file should be there 150 days. After that, so it's your request. File should be available in frequent use for 150 days. After 151 days, it should move. Then it's your choice, which storage class. So Glacier minimum period is 120. So we can go with Glacier. Don't go with infrequent. We have already achieved that 30 days, also 120 days also. Then why you can go with 90 days? I mean 30 days, go with Glacier, right? If the same file is there, the file should be there in 60 days for your frequent use. 61st day, you want to move the file for another storage class. What is your option? 61st day, I'll come to that point. 61st day, you should move the file. What is your option now? After 60 days, what are the options? We have to move the file for another storage classes. How many options we have to move? Even the file is there in the 60 days in the frequent. I should move to next storage class. I'm getting so much of bill. So Ravi is saying infrequent. What about others? Standard IN means infrequent. What about others? Why you are thinking how many options we have at least? Out of 4, leave about intelligent. Uma, we have 4 options. We are on the frequent already. So we need to think about three options, right? My file should be moved for 61st day. 61st day, what are the options we have? Glacier will support. Does Glacier will support 61st day? Deep Glacier will support. Then what are the options we have? Only infrequent. No, you don't have any options. The same file will be there 300 days in frequent. If you want to move, we have a three options. The reason is we have achieved minimum periods all storage classes, right? Or first is 31st, second is 120, third is 181. But file already there 300 days for my standard. Now if I want to move, my best option is Deep Glacier, right? But if you are on the 61st day, you don't have any options. You should stick on infrequent. The reason is if you want to move file to Glacier, file should be there at least 120 days in frequent. How you can move the file Glacier even 61st day? You don't have any option, right? So you should stick on infrequent if the file is not satisfied minimum periods. Is it clear? The minimum time period should be satisfied, then only you can move other storage classes. What are the points? 30 days is for infrequent, 120 is for Glacier, 180 is for Deep Glacier, right? If the file is satisfied in frequent, these three steps, then only you can move. It's a minimum. Maximum your wish. You can maintain 1000 days. You can maintain 3 years in frequent also, 4 years in infrequent also. Depends on your usage. Is it clear what I'm trying to say? Okay. So now I want to move the file one storage class to other storage class by using lifecycle rules. I'm taking as an example that only. Okay, lifecycle rule. You guys can perform delete the object some specific time. You can give it a lifecycle rule, how it will add. You can come to know. Okay. Sir, why we need to maintain lifecycle rules? We have a intelligent tire, right? Intelligent tire, right? We have a, but intelligent tire, it will move file immediately once you reach to minimum time period. 31st day, 121st day, 181st day. We cannot stop the file. It will move immediately. It can move immediately, right? But if it is a life cycle rule, it's completely our wish when the file will move. Even after 21st day, after 200 days, after 300 days, after 1 year, after 2 years. One more question here. Sir, why? If we take as intelligent tire, it will move us immediately. We get less cost, right? Why we should maintain 200 days now, sir? We can move it immediately 31st day, right? But what will happen? If the file is moved after 30 days to infrequent, you have to apply the tariff for upfront, right? But based on your misthink, you again need to operate the file immediately. You have to pay two tariffs, right? Frequent tariff and upfront you should pay again. So if there is no proper plan, you should pay two tariffs. That is for dedicated tariff. If you whatever the file is moved to infrequent, but you are using the file, you're not waiting for 30 days, again you are using the file. That is also you should pay. So that is the things you have to maintain here. But intelligent tire, it will move automatically. You should think which option is best. Okay, based on your usage. If you are not getting, leave it. So what are the minimum periods we know? Just tick on that. We can do it. Okay. What are the storage class? If anyone will ask, storage class is nothing but this is a cost effective. We can move the file from one storage to other storage. The reason is the costing. Okay. Infrequent, the tariff will be different based on the usage. We can pay it. Is it clear? This is the last point, final point. Okay. We can do the lab. These are little, if you do the practice, is very easy. The theory concepts. Okay. So this is the first step for creation of rule. What you can understand, I'm applying the rule for which bucket? I'm applying the rule for which bucket, guys? This bucket, right? Once you are inside of the bucket only, you are opening these rules. Don't confuse. I'm applying for which bucket? Which bucket, which object? Don't confuse. Once you are in the bucket itself only, you are able to access these options. I'm talking about now one bucket, that's a lambda bucket. Okay, how to create the rule? See, guys. Test. So apply all objects. Yes, it will apply for all objects. Next, move current version of object between storage classes, move non-current version of the objects between store. You can take any one, right? Now, current version is nothing but if you are enable versionings. Non-current version is when you are not enable versioning. That's it. So expire the current version of objects. We can write the rule for these specific objects. We can expire the rule after few days. We can write it also. You can do the practice. So I'm going to do storage classes. Okay. So I have selected all objects in my bucket. I have given all objects. Okay. I have given all objects. Okay. So I'm saying that lifecycle rule, I want to move my all objects for this particular time. My all objects should move the respect to storage classes. Okay. Okay. So selected all objects in my bucket. The reason is I have selected here apply all objects, the rule. Okay. Okay. Done. Now move non-current or current version. It's completely your wish. So I have given transitions. It will move the file one storage class to other storage classes. Okay. So if you can see here, I'm able to see here infrequent, one zone, intelligent tiring, glacier, so many things, but I'm unable to see frequent. Why? I'm unable to see frequent storage class here. Except frequent, I'm able to see all storage class. Very good. We are already in the frequent, right? Again, you want to move? No, right? Yes, very good. Good point. So standard infrequent. Can I give 20 days? Okay, we can test. It will not take. A minimum file should be there in frequent 30 days. You are done 30 days, then you can try, right? Okay, I'll just give 31. Is it clear now? Add transition, same file. After 31 days, the file should be moved glacier. After 31 days, okay? So here, how many days should wait here? 90 days, 180 days, whatever. You can give 200. Will it work or not? That is minimum, maximum your wish. You can give your point 3 years also in this class, but it's not allow minimum. It should be, see, here also it can allow 300 days, right? But minimum should maintain. Is it clear what I'm trying to say? Yeah. So 31st. So here can 200. After that, it should move the file Glacier Deep Archive after 300 days. Okay. Okay. I acknowledge it. So create a rule. Okay. My rule got created. If you can see, click on that. Day 0, day 31, day 200, day 300. My file will move accordingly. Is it clear? What is lifecycle rule? Just apply it, select it, options, give the days. That's it. The same thing if you want to do, edit, like permanently delete non-correction object. If you can select, give the days. After that, it's automatically delete it. Is it clear? So lifecycle rule all about automate the task by creating a rules. Is it clear? Anyone has any doubts? Yes, all fell in the bucket. No, now if I want to give specific object, how can I give now? So go limited scope. So give the prefix. What is prefix here? What is prefix here? Very good. Name. So if you can give in my bucket, so go to bucket. So test.zip. Okay, inside 4 buckets are there, right? Test.zip. Simply go and give that. Test. It will take. I'm going to apply only tester chip. So the important thing here, don't include again S3 bucket name here. Bucket already selected, you are in the only bucket, right? You are in the bucket. If you can give the bucket name, it will treat as a, you have created folder in the bucket name. It will throw an error. There is no object. Okay. You are in the already bucket, right? In that bucket, you have selected object. I mean, folder, I mean, prefix. Is it clear? Yeah. If you can apply rule. Sorry. Acknowledge it. So the same rule applied for only one object now, not all objects. That's it. Is it clear? Prefix how we can give? Yes. If you want to give suffix, what is suffix? Anyone? Let me take one call. I'm getting call. Hello, Shiva. Yeah. A class lo na Shiva cheppandi. Parle cheppandi. Okay, in office కి వచ్చిన తర్వాత డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం ఓకేనా? Yeah. Okay, guys. Is it clear? Anyone has any doubts? Sir, I have a doubt. If my file is in Glacier and I open the file, it's going to change the storage class. Storage class will not change. Tariff will apply. Okay. If the question is very good, Abhinandan. I appreciate your question. So I uploaded a file in Glacier. Please listen. 120 days I have given, but I have access file for tomorrow. I should pay 2 tariffs. Glacier tariff, upfront fee, and the reason I have opened the file immediately, I should pay frequent tariff for KB. For example, per KB, $1. And same 1 KB in Glacier, $0.01. Okay. If I wait for 180 days, I can pay only $0.1. But I don't have proper plan. Again, I'm going to use the file. So you should pay $0.1 plus $1. Is it clear? You should understand one thing. File can access every time. There is no condition to access the file. But tariff the difference. Already so many requests I got. Sir, I'm able to download the file. I'm able to upload the file. Why, sir? It will access, but tariff will different. Okay. It's clear. Okay. These are all about management options. Okay. Access point also you can understand after IAM access. Okay. Metrics. We already CloudWatch. We can see just all about size. View additional charts. Okay. Just all about metrics. If you can go the permission, we know how to block the public access already. We have discussed, right? Bucket policy. This is the point I have discussed, right? We just create a IAM policy. We can attach to bucket. I mean, which bucket you are going to access. If you save here, the policy is applied here. It will apply for the object. You can understand after IAM policy, not now. Okay. Okay, these are not required. Leave it. Properties, bucket versioning we have done. Encryption. So already S3 is uploaded for default encryptions. Okay, default encryption. Default encryption is nothing but, so what is encryption? What is encryption, guys? Encryption is nothing but secure. That's it. The object is on fly. So we are uploading one object into S3 bucket. Bucket is located into the Mumbai. You have uploaded from the Hyderabad. So the request is flying, going to request to through the internet, right? So the same thing, if you are sending some data to there. So if you are not enable encryption, the data is go as is, means plain text format. Okay. It should be encrypted. So already AWS is follow. If you are not follow AWS, by default encryption is apply any bucket. So how they can do? They have generated one key, each object. We are unable to see that key. If you can see here, server-side encryption with AWS Amazon S3 management key. Already they have followed some encryption. That is server side. Client side, who will take care of that? Our laptops, we are taking care of that, right? How AWS will come and taking care of your laptop? No. AWS is managing servers. I should take care of my servers, right or not? As a provider, I should take care of my servers. If the request is coming, request is going, I should encrypted all the objects. That is following by AWS. What is customer managed encryption? We should create a keys. We should attach that keys, that object you are going to access. The reason is you are generating the key. So you can understand in KMS level clearly. Okay. Yes. Intelligent tiering. Just now we discussed the file will move automatically once minimum period is done. Server access log. Already we have yesterday configure, right? Just enable it, give the destination, logs will generate. Okay. So one question to everyone. This is one work to everyone, not question. So enable server access logs. I mean S3 access logs. Give the bucket. Same thing do in inventory configurations, right? We are selecting target bucket. Okay. See the difference. What is the difference here? What is the difference in inventory? Is it clear what I'm trying to say here? I'm saying here logs can generate here. There also I'm saying information will store here, there. What are activities you are doing? Inventories. So what is the major difference? You should do that. Let me know tomorrow. Okay. Is it fine for tomorrow? Is it fine for tomorrow? Are you sure? Are you sure? Then you are missing some point. Are you sure? Online? Is this possible for tomorrow? Are you sure? At least say yes or no. Are you sure or not? Why no? Why no? We have a match now. Huh? Very good, Haider Khan. Very good. Okay. Excellent. See, 48 hours time. What is 48 hours time? 40 hours time here. What 40. See, what is 48 hours first time here? You're not observing, right? Anything? Just listening what I'm saying. That the first inventory configuration file when it's going to create? Huh? When it's going to create? The first time to get the logs, then after that 24 hours, whatever time. That is logs. Inventory. There is a display, right? The first inventory configure, even though you select a day, day interval, it should reflect after 48 hours. So it's possible after 3 days. Don't say come tomorrow, it's not updating. You're missing something. That's it. Okay, clear? So don't miss any point. If you catch every point, you will get a knowledge. That's it. This is the last. Anyway, S3 we can close it in only one day, guys. No need to drag into 3 days. Nothing is there to understand here. If you know to operate Facebook, if you know to operate Instagram, you know Instagram is very difficult to S3 bucket. I don't know. So many people are saying how to highlight the photo, how to add the backdrop, you know, how to so many things, right? Slow walks, fast walks. These are very difficult S3. But you guys are able to do that. The reason is you want to highlight yourself to public. Right? But what I'm saying, if you get a job, definitely you will highlight. Then your photograph in the Instagram. You will get a car. You will get a house. Then everyone seeing attention on you. What this guy is doing. If you upload photo, everyone can see, everyone can do. Right or not? Okay. Can you share that what you are doing to highlight your photo? Immediately you call them. Hey, I will tell you how to do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. You just apply the green background first. Apply the walk. It's not like that. Some flowers will come once you walk. You just guide and everything. So immediately he will also do. There is no rocket science, right? If you crack a job, you know the hard work. If someone will come, how to crack a job, definitely you can say it's not easy. Dedicatedly work for at least 90 days. Is it clear? Yes. Anyway, guys, I'm not going to take your time. Okay. So it's all about event notification. That's again depends on SNS. So object lock is not possible. Static website we are discussed. Okay. These are enough. So I'm going to send a material for you, S3 bucket. So just complete all the tasks. Okay. Yesterday we have given tasks. I'm going to add a few more tasks. All about 15 tasks for S3. It's close. Okay. Okay. Anyone has any doubts? Haider, are you there here in the meet? I mean, then why you are sending messages in the Telegram? Send here, right? Habituate the things. Sending message in Telegram. Okay. See, tab changed. I'm not understand. Anyway, guys, S3 done. Okay. Be ready for the labs. So I'm going to start IAM from tomorrow. Okay. Is it clear? So we have a time, right? I will finish it in SNS now. SNS now. Okay. It's just 15 minutes. We can easily do it. Yes, you can learn. Who stop you, Abhinandan? Okay. Wherever, see, whatever platform you are learning, you need some prerequisites. So you should understand. If I give some work to you without discussing S3, it's very difficult, right? We discussed already 2 days on S3. If I tell you to do for third day, no need to discuss, you just follow that. Definitely 50% people can do it. If you spend time at least 2 hours. So if you have a knowledge from the trainings, whatever, from the training, you can learn so many things on the S3 also. Okay. Next, one question, one task to you. I have shown you, right, how to replicate object for one bucket to other bucket. So how to replicate object one region bucket to other region bucket? Where the option is available, check it and let me know tomorrow. Is it clear? Okay. Thank you, Uma. Hi there. Accessing the objects with URL not working in the object enabling something is missing. Yes. What happened, go to objects, buckets. So any bucket, you just click on that first. Click on that, go to actions, make public using ACL. It is enable after enable ECL while creating public bucket. So there is no option to enable later. So we have that is by using public policy, we can do it. So after enabling this one, it will ask, yes, make a public. Okay. So click on index.html. So now you can access. Okay. Okay, guys. Put in heading SNS. In 1 month, you will get clear clarity about AWS. Okay. I think you got already clarity, right? 50% at least what you can do. Okay. What is SNS? Huh? Simple notification service. Simple notification service. What is the use, guys? What is the use of simple notification service? Give some example in the real time. Internet banking OTP is notification or not? After done the transaction, so you can understand what transaction you did, right? So alert, it's a alert. Okay, so notification is nothing but all about the real time, whatever alerts we are getting. Based on that, we just move ahead, right? Banner on phone. Okay, emails, whatever. Then we are getting as a user. We are getting as a user. Who configure that? Backend IT team, right or not? IT team configure all internet banking facilities providers some notification. If this guy done this transaction, immediately send notification to him. Let him know, let her know what he did, what she did, right? So in the earlier, I don't know, I think 20 years, 30 years back, there is no notification systems, right? We can go on the passbook, we can see the amount, how much amount you have done the transaction, right? So no need to go, right? Even we forget our head branch bank. I don't know, seriously. I have 6, 7 accounts. Which bank is which branch? The reason is we are not visiting our banks, right? No need to go to draw. No need to go to deposit. We have a phone pays. So many things. All are very easy now. So we have implemented so many things, right? So all those implementation, one is the best implementation is notification service. Okay. Yeah. I got 85%. Congratulations. You are very close to suspend your account by AWS. Only 15% left. You just create one M2 large instance. Immediately it will happen in 2 hours. Okay. Mine already suspend, you know. Did I say till now? I'm using my friend account. If I say it's not good to me, that's the reason I haven't discussed till now. So don't say to public, guys. It's not good. Simple notification service. So what we can do? So have you seen anywhere notification while doing your tasks? Configure notification. We miss anything? I mean, doing load balancers task, doing auto scaling task. Have you seen any option notification? No. Are you sure? No. While creating auto scaling in the last step, there is an option. What is that step? Last step. Yes. In the auto scaling, the last step, configure notification. The reason is one new instance will come, immediately you will get a notification. One instance is going to delete, you will get a notification. Why notification required in the auto scaling time? There is a service where simply go and learn. It is not at all correct. Whatever tool you are learning, DevOps, cloud, Python, whatever. Why we are learning, that is a very important. Why we need to, why auto scaling is given SNS there? Think it. Why? We can keep track of instance. Okay. The reason is if instance is going to delete or we reach our existing quota, what it is, we have given maximum is 3. We have reached 90%. If you are not getting alert, how you can know? Our 3 instance already reach maximum. Immediately I can go and increase one more instance in my set point based on the alert only, right? That is the reason auto scaling is giving it that. Clear? We can implement notification any service, EC2, S3. Just now we have seen S3 event notification. One module is there that is related to SNS. Anyway, so simple notification service. Give a sentence, anyone? What is that? It's a alert service in AWS. So by using this service, we will configure services status, service status and that's it, service status. Okay. We have to configure it to, I mean, Gmail or phone number, etc. Okay, we can just configure it. So if you can go the dashboard of SNS, just type SNS. So we have one more service, SES. SES. So the major difference in SNS, we cannot attach body message. Okay, I mean bulk file or so the what I'm trying to say, if you're some notification you are getting, right? So we cannot attach any file. So the reason is if EC2 is reach 85%. So if you can reach 85%, I need all configuration details, network status, CPU utilization. So all are, we can generate the report. We cannot attach that report into SNS. We can just say that I'm in 85%. That's it. We cannot attach any file. As a body message. Okay. Okay. Just we'll go SNS now. Coming classes are very important, guys. I'm going to take you Python Boto 3 also. Few developers are there like Manas, I think developer. Go to dashboard. So nothing is there. This is the dashboard. So first we should subscribe. So I'm going to subscribe my email. So if you can see asking topic ARN. So first what I need to create? Topic, then come to subscribe, right? Yeah, go there. Topics. Create a topic. So here standard first in first out. So don't go with first in first out. If it is like that, so many messages are in your queue. Standard, when message will come, immediately trigger. That's it. Topic name, alert. May you can confuse test. Okay. Display name also you can give test. That's it. You have created some topic only. No need to change, do anything. So for topic, I got one ARN. Okay. So you should give the subscription of your mail this topic. If you can go now subscriptions, create subscription. Okay. Protocol, mobile or mail ID. If you can give mail, if you can give phone number, SMS. So ask the phone number, add a phone number. So here something number if you can give, select language, message language, add phone number. Phone number is wrong. Okay. Go to subscription again. Create subscription. So ARN automatically will come, right? It will pick. So now give your mail ID or phone number. After that, create subscription. That's it. You will get a one alert to your phone number or mail ID. You just okay that. So you configure with SNS topic. You're configure with SNS topic. So how you can configure? So I will show you in the paint. This is SNS topic. SNS topic. This is SNS topic. So this is auto scaling. This is auto scaling. I don't have much time. I'll finish it closely. This is auto scaling. Okay. So now my auto scaling, while configuring notification, it will ask select your topic name. Which topic? I have created SNS, right? I should give my topic name. That's it. It's automatically configure with your topic. But will I get message now? No. I should create a subscription first and configure it to your topic. Now, if auto scaling will trigger to your topic, automatically your topic configure to your mail ID, it will get to mail. Subscription is about your message, mail, or phone number. Okay. First, we should create topic. Then Aaron automatically reflect over there, create a subscription. Just give your mail ID, phone number. You just acknowledge it. Your topic is created. You can go if you have any doubt. So after creating topic only, the Aaron will reflect here, topic Aaron. So test, my name is test, right? Topic. So test is there in the end. So now give the protocol, whatever. It should trigger email or Lambda as whatever. Lambda while discuss time, you can understand. Simply SMS, give your phone number, create subscription. You will get a one notification. Just okay it. That's it. Configure is done. Is it clear? Okay. So once SNS is ready, yes, free. If SNS is ready, you just hit your SNS endpoint. Topic name. Everywhere I need email notification for auto scaling. So you and your mail between SNS topic will be there. So the topic will reflect in the auto scaling. So you can just select it. That's it. You will get a notification. Okay. Yes. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. So from tomorrow, we'll discuss IAM is very important. It will take 2 or 3 days time. We can go in depth. IAM is very important. We can go in depth. Okay. After that, Route 53, please register your domain name. It will take 300 or 400. So from that, one domain name is must if you want to do the practice. I'm going to take you in the depth like in a CloudFront also. That is very important, sir. CloudFront, edge locations, all are is related to your domain name only. Okay. So I haven't discussed edge locations. What are these? You remember or not? I remember. I told you we'll discuss later edge locations, right? So Route 53 once done, these are the cycle. I will come to that edge locations. Okay. Okay. So these 25 days or 30 days, I don't know. Please don't skip any class. It's very difficult to understand. Okay. It's my humble request to everyone. Okay, guys. See you. Sir, my domain name is from UK. Does it work? Huh? So are you able to access Google? Domain name is for web. It's not like country. Domain name is for universals. Is it clear? YouTube will work UK also. No need to be youtube.uk, right? Just I'm saying, guys.